Hello guys, welcome back once again. Please, if today is your first day of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky and exciting questions together. So today we are looking at this. 3 exponent negative x is equal to x plus 4. Okay, and we are looking for the value of x. So let's start. We have 3 exponent x negative x, which is equal to x plus 4. From here, let our x plus 4 be equal to y. So we can say that our x is equal to y minus 4. Okay, now let's put x is equal to y minus 4 in our equation. So it now becomes 3 is for negative into bracket y minus 4 and it's equal to y minus 4 plus 4. Okay, so now 3 exponents, this one we are going to get negative y plus 4 equal to, so this one which is equal to y. Okay, so now with this, in order you can rewrite it as 3 exponents minus y multiplying by 3 exponent 4, which is equal to y. Now, this we can rewrite it as 1 on 3 exponent y multiplying by 3 exponent 4 is 81 and it's equal to 1. Okay, and now 1 times 81 is 81 on 3 exponent y is equal to y. From here, you can say that 81 is equal to y multiplied by 3 exponent y. Okay. And now, don't forget that we have natural log of x equal to x. So we can express this value like that. So we are going to get 81 is equal to y multiplied by e ln 3 exponent y like this. Okay, and now since we have involved natural log, let us express this equation so that we can use the Lambert function, Lambert W function to solve this. So our 81 is equal to, now this you can rewrite it as y multiplying by e exponent then y ln 3 like this. So from here, let's multiply both sides of the equation by y ln 3. Okay, or okay, let's, because we are having y here, let's multiply by ln 3 both sides. So we're going to get 81 multiplied by ln 3, which is equal to y ln 3 multiplied by e exponent y ln 3. Now, looking at this, in this, you can see that they are the same expression. So from here, we can apply our Lambert W function, which is that the W function of a multiplied by e exponent a is equal to a. So applying this here, going to be the real function of 81 multiplied by ln 3, it is equal to real function of y ln 3 multiplied by e exponent y ln 3. So here we are going to get w into bracket 81 ln 3 is equal to y lane 3. Okay, so from here, this 81, we can express it as 3, okay, 3 multiplied by 3 exponent 3. Okay, because from previous we said that 3 exponent 4 is equal to 81. Okay, so lane 3, which is equal to y lane 3. Okay, so our W function of this, we can rewrite it as 3 exponent 3 lane 3 exponent 3, and it's equal to y lane 3. Okay, so here we are going to get W function of lane 3 exponent 3 multiplied by 3 exponent 3, and it's equal to y lane 3. Okay. So here you can rewrite it as new function 3 lane 3, okay, and this e exponent lane x is the same as x, if you remember. So let's write this in terms of natural law. So it will be multiplied by e exponent lane 3 exponent 3, bracket close, and it's equal to y lane 3. So from here we get our Lambert function of 3 lane 3, then multiplied by e, this one it can be 3 lane 3, and it's equal to y lane 3. Now let's observe this. Consider this term the same as this. Okay, so from here we are going to get 3 lane 3 is equal to y lane 3. Okay, so here you can divide both sides by lane 3 lane 3. So lane 3 will cancel lane 3. So we get our y to be equal to 3. So our y is equal to 3. Let's recall that our x plus 4 is equal to y. Now we have x is equal to y minus 4. X is equal to, now y is 3, so it will be 3 minus 4. So we get x to be equal to negative 1. Now our x is equal to negative 1. Let's test to see if indeed x satisfies the equation. Okay, so let's verify to check whether our x satisfies the equation. So we have 3 exponent negative x, which is equal to x plus 4. Now our x is negative 1, so it's going to be 3 exponent negative into bracket negative 1 is equal to negative 1 plus 4. Negative times negative 1, we are getting 3 exponent 1, and is equal to negative 1 plus 4 is 3. 3 exponent 1 is 3, which is equal to 3. So it is true that our x is indeed equal to negative 1. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye-bye.